So you use, what, 4 or 5 lasers on the aging face, like 40, 50-year-olds and plus. What is it? What are you doing?
Well, we use a combination procedures on the patient who are 40, 50, 60-year-old. And because of that, we get tremendous results. Again, the goal is to treat every layer of the skin at the same time.
Okay.
However, the way it's done is that it does not give you any downtime. And we would combine fancy microdermabrasion, which is called silk peel, which is like a powerful vacuum, which vacuums and gets rid of thousands of layers of the dead skin. We use laser genesis, photogenesis, IPL to stimulate cells in the middle layer of the skin to produce more collagen there. And then we use Titan, which is able to go deep underneath of the skin, and Titan has this fantastic effect of shrinking fibers, which gives you instant lift and instant tightening. And after that, you keep producing collagen for 6 months after the procedure was done. So if somebody had a combination of those treatments done, they will be back. That is for sure. So it's just this first time when you need to come and see how much magic can be done with current advances in aesthetic medicine. And finally, we use Altherapy to reach even deeper layer of the skin.
How deep can it go?
It goes ½ centimeter below the skin. No laser can go so deep. And that's exactly the layer of the skin which you want to stimulate. This is the layer of the skin which is stimulated by during the facelift, except that these days nobody need to have a facelift because we can deliver ultrasound to the deep layer of the skin without cutting the skin. So if you imagine you're using the ultrasound waves and you concentrate them, they go very deep underneath of the skin and they do micro damage on very deep layer of the skin, and that is causing the production of collagen, and that is causing this incredible lift which you accomplish with Altherapy.
So now you said something, you won't ever need a facelift. I talked to some plastic surgeons, and they say, Randy, eventually, no matter what, for the desired result, you've got to do a facelift.
I don't agree with that.
So are you saying if you catch somebody in their 40s or late 30s and they follow your protocol, they can look good 70s, 80s without, I mean, because isn't gravity going to pull?
No, and I show you this patient of mine who is 80 years old. She will never need any facelift. So this is all accomplished with the Altera and lasers.
So this is fairly new technology. It's like nobody can prove it right now because it hasn't been around for 25 years to show what an 80-year-old could look like, right?
Well, but
you have the one 80-year-old.
We have this procedure for last 4 years, and we have patients from, the youngest we do it on are 30, and the oldest are 80, and all of them are seeing results. So, and I really don't agree with the statement that eventually somebody will need a facelift. I don't think so.
So you believe that if you keep hitting, I'm calling it hitting, but your jowls and neck with Altherapy and the technologies that go deep,
right?
You're saying the face is going to stay up.
That's exactly.
Really?
Because with every procedure, I push you 5 years younger, and I just make you look younger and younger. So it's important to repeat the procedures, but again, it depends of what age and what skin condition I get the skin. Most of the time, again, 80% of our patients just require one Altherapy treatment.